Welcome to Artek. Today we're going to talk about one of our integrations, specifically the Cruise and Comfort air conditioner. We've worked with Cruise and Comfort to complete this integration and provide you with a gateway from their unit to our unit. This module is going to take outputs from the Garmin Core System, input into here, and then translate it into the Cruise and Comfort air conditioner to give you complete control of the unit through the core system. The unit comprises of two ends. One is going to be a quick connect plug that goes directly into your Cruise and Comfort. The other side is going to have all of your connection points to the core system. This is going to be a common for your ground, an on-off for the air conditioner side of things, a low fan speed, a constant run which activates the blower only, and a medium fan speed. Typically we'll run RVC cabling to this. RVC cabling already has 4 conductors, and in the event that this went from an analog control to a CAN control unit, then all of the cabling appropriate to do that would already be in place. Thanks for following along today talking about the Cruise and Comfort integration with Artek's Garmin Core System. If you have any questions, then please reach out to us, and all of the appropriate links will be in the description below.